सामने आ भी जाया करूं, लाज़मी है कि तुम मुझसे पर्दा करो। अपनी शादी के दिन अब नहीं दूर है, मैं भी तड़पा करूं, तुम भी तड़पा करो। मुश्किल है ये मेरा दिल है, बड़े मुश्किल है ये मेरा दिल है। तुम ही कहो कैसे मैं चुप रहूं।
तुम अगर सामने आ भी जाया करो, लाज़मी है कि मैं तुमसे पर्दा करूं।
सताने के मनाने के ये दिन है आजमाने के, जरा समझा करो दिलबर तुम्हें मेरी कसम।
यही मेरी है मजबूरी, सही जाए ना अब दूरी, मेरा क्या हाल है कैसे बताऊं मैं सनम।
ज़मीं होगी गगन होगा, तेरा मेरा मिलन होगा। मैं अगर तुमसे नजरें मिलाया करूं, लाज़मी है कि तुम मुझसे पर्दा करो। मैं दुनिया से चला जाऊं, कभी ना लौट के आऊं, करोगी क्या अकेले तुम बताओ दिलरुबा।
मैं रब से छीन लाऊंगी, तुझे अपना बनाऊंगी, चलेगी सांस जब तक ये न होंगे हम जुदा।
न अपनी कसम टूटे, जो रब रूठे तो रब रूठे। मैं अगर तुमको मिलने बुलाया करूं, लाज़मी है कि तुम मुझसे पर्दा करो। अपनी शादी के दिन अब नहीं दूर है, मैं भी तड़पा करूं, तुम भी तड़पा करो।
बड़ी मुश्किल है ये मेरा दिल है, तुम ही कहो कैसे मैं चुप रहूं।
मैं अगर सामने आ भी जाया करूं, लाज़मी है कि तुम मुझसे पर्दा करो। देख मेरा दीवानापन कि तेरे बिना कहीं दिल ना लगे। आ सुन तो सही दिल की धड़कन, आ सुन तो सही दिल की धड़कन कि तेरे बिना कहीं दिल ना लगे। ओ साथिया साथिया रे साथिया रे साथिया। देखा था वफा का सपना, मैंने सोचा था कोई होगा मेरा भी अपना। जख्म मुझको जो लगा है मैं दिखाऊं कैसे, अपनी मजबूरी भला तुझको बताऊं कैसे। अपना अफसाना सनम तुझको सुनाऊं कैसे। जाए मेरी उलझन, बढ़ती जाए मेरी उलझन कि तेरे बिना कहीं दिल ना लगे। तो सही दिल की धड़कन, आ सुन तो सही दिल की धड़कन कि तेरे बिना कहीं दिल ना लगे। जो मेरी रूह को चैन दे प्यार दे, वो खुशी बन गए हो तुम, जिंदगी बन गए हो तुम, जिंदगी
जो मेरी रूह को चैन दे प्यार दे वो खुशी बन गए हो तुम जिंदगी बन गए हो तुम जिंदगी बन गए हो तुम
जिस्म से जान तक पास आते गए इन निगाहों से दिल में समाते गए जिस्म से जान तक पास आते गए इन निगाहों से दिल में समाते गए जिस हंसी ख्वाब की थी तमन्ना मुझे हाँ वही बन गए हो तुम जिंदगी बन गए हो तुम जिंदगी बन गए हो तुम
जो मेरी रूह को चैन दे प्यार दे वो खुशी बन गए हो तुम जिंदगी बन गए हो तुम जिंदगी बन गए हो तुम हर किसी से जिसे मैं छुपाती रही बेखुदी में जिसे गुनगुनाती रही हर किसी से जिसे मैं छुपाती रही बेखुदी में जिसे गुनगुनाती रही मैंने तन्हा कभी जो लिखी थी वही शायरी बन गए हो तुम जिंदगी बन गए हो तुम जिंदगी बन गए हो तुम
जो मेरी रूह को चैन दे प्यार दे वो खुशी बन गए हो तुम
जिंदगी 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 बन गए हो तुम
Success is a journey that begins within you. It's not a destination that you simply arrive at, but a continuous process of growth, learning, and perseverance. Every individual has the potential to succeed, but success requires more than just dreaming. It demands action, dedication, and resilience. If you have a vision for your life, if you desire to accomplish something meaningful, then know that you are already on the path to success. The key is to keep moving forward, even when obstacles seem insurmountable and the road gets tough. The first step towards success is believing in yourself. Too often, people hold themselves back because they doubt their abilities or fear failure. But failure is not something to fear. It is an inevitable part of the journey. Each setback, each mistake is an opportunity to learn, to grow stronger, and to develop the skills you need to ultimately succeed. Success does not come from avoiding failure, but from embracing it as a teacher. The most successful people in the world are not those who have never failed, but those who have failed and gotten back up time and time again. It is the resilience, the ability to keep going despite adversity, that defines true success. You have the power to shape your destiny. Life is not about waiting for opportunities to come to you. It's about creating your own opportunities. Take the initiative, take risks, and put in the hard work necessary to turn your dreams into reality. There will be times when it seems like the odds are against you, when it feels like success is just out of reach. But it's in those moments when the path seems uncertain that you must trust in your own abilities. Keep pushing, keep striving, because your persistence will be your greatest asset. Never underestimate the power of perseverance and determination. Setbacks are not a sign of weakness. They are signs of progress. Every challenge you face is an opportunity to prove to yourself just how capable you are. It's easy to get discouraged when things don't go as planned, but remember that every successful person has faced difficulties along the way. The key is not to avoid struggles, but to face them head on, knowing that each challenge brings you closer to your goal. Success is built on a foundation of overcoming obstacles, and every setback is simply another step toward your ultimate victory. In success, never forget the importance of passion. It is passion that fuels perseverance. It is passion that keeps you going when the journey gets long and hard. When you are passionate about what you do, the work feels less like a burden and more like a purpose. Passion gives you the energy to go the extra mile, to put in the long hours, and to keep learning and improving. If you are not passionate about your goals, take a moment to reflect and reconnect with the reasons why you started in the first place. Passion is the spark that ignites the fire of success within you. Success is also about surrounding yourself with the right people. The people you choose to associate with will either lift you up or hold you back. Seek out individuals who inspire you, who challenge you, and who support your dreams. Surround yourself with those who believe in your potential, who encourage your growth, and who push you to become the best version of yourself. Likewise, be that person for others. Success is not a solo endeavor. It is a collective journey. By lifting others up and celebrating their successes, you create an environment where everyone can thrive. It's important to remember that success is personal. What success looks like to one person may not be the same for you. Define success on your own terms, not by society's standards or by the expectations of others. Success is not about fame, wealth, or accolades. It's about living a life that is aligned with your values, your passions, and your purpose. Take the time to reflect on what success truly means for you. When you pursue your own definition of success, you will find fulfillment that no external measure can provide. One of the most powerful things you can do on your journey to success is to cultivate a mindset of growth. Embrace the idea that you can always improve, that you are never limited by your past mistakes or current circumstances. The most successful people are those who are constantly learning, evolving, and adapting to new challenges. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try new things. Take on new projects, learn new skills, and be open to change. With a growth mindset, every experience becomes an opportunity to improve, and every setback becomes a stepping stone toward greater achievements. Success also requires patience. It's easy to want immediate results, to expect things to happen quickly, but real success takes time. It requires effort, consistency, and a long-term vision. The path to success is often a winding one, filled with unexpected turns and delays. But those delays are not failures. They are simply part of the process. Trust that with every small step forward, you are making progress. Be patient with yourself and know that everything you are doing now is laying the groundwork for the future success you desire. Another critical component of success is the ability to stay focused. There will always be distractions, whether they are external pressures, negative influences, or your own self-doubt. But success is born from the ability to stay focused on your goals, even when the world around you is pulling you in different directions. It's about blocking out the noise, maintaining your vision, and committing to the path you've chosen. When you stay focused and true to your mission, distractions become less powerful and your progress becomes unstoppable. Success is also about giving back. True success is not just about what you can achieve for yourself, but about what you can contribute to others. Whether it's through your work, your knowledge, or your generosity, success becomes more meaningful when it is shared. Use your success to inspire, uplift, and support others. By helping others succeed, you not only create a more positive and supportive environment, but also experience a deeper sense of fulfillment and purpose in your own journey. Goal setting is a powerful and transformative practice that allows us to shape our futures, direct our energy, and align our actions with our most important aspirations. Setting goals is not just about creating a list of things to achieve. It is about defining the path we want to walk, building the foundation for our success, and cultivating the discipline and motivation needed to make our dreams a reality. When we set clear and meaningful goals, we give ourselves a roadmap, and with every step we take toward those goals, we are creating the life we truly desire. The first step in goal setting is clarity. We must define what it is we truly want to achieve. It's easy to say, I want to be successful, but what does success mean to you? Success looks different for everyone. It could be building a career, achieving personal growth, or creating more meaningful relationships. The more specific and clear we are about our goals, the more likely we are to succeed. This is where we start to dream, think deeply, and ask ourselves, what do I truly want to create in my life? What excites me? What drives me? When we know what we want, we are in a better position to make it happen. Once we have clarity about our goals, the next step is to break them down into manageable steps. Large, long-term goals can feel overwhelming and distant, But when we break them down into smaller, achievable tasks, they become less daunting and more achievable. Each small action we take brings us closer to the larger vision. Instead of feeling lost or uncertain about where to start, we can focus on one step at a time. By setting short-term goals that support our long-term vision, we build momentum, and each success, no matter how small, fuels our confidence and keeps us moving forward.